Unleashing the world stage, digital marketing certifications as keys to international careers. The digital marketing landscape is no longer confined by borders. Today's marketers navigate a globalized marketplace, where consumer demographics transcend geographic limitations. These credentials, particularly for internationally recognized certifications, can be your golden ticket to a rewarding international career. Why digital marketing certifications matter. Renowned certifications like Google Analytics Individual Qualification, IQ, or HubSpot Inbound Marketing Certification showcase your expertise to potential employers worldwide. International appeal of digital marketing skills. The beauty of digital marketing lies in its universality. Fundamental marketing principles, understanding customer needs, crafting compelling content, and leveraging data-driven insights, remain constant across borders. Exploring international career opportunities. Global Marketing Manager, overseeing the development and execution of marketing strategies for international markets. Localization Specialist, adapting marketing materials to resonate with specific cultural contexts. Social Media Strategist, crafting engaging social media campaigns that cater to diverse audiences across the globe. Conclusion. In conclusion, digital marketing certifications equip individuals with the necessary skills to navigate the complexities of global marketing campaigns. From understanding cultural nuances and tailoring content for diverse audiences to mastering data analysis for international market insights, these qualifications empower marketers to excel on the world stage.